Welcome back to another video. In this video, we will see medical coding jobs for freshers. Only freshers, total 600 plus openings from one company and different locations we have. So let's get into the video. Here the first opening is from Omega Healthcare, hiring for freshers for training medical coder position. Any graduate with a life science background can apply and should have sound knowledge in ICD-10 CM guidelines. Both certified and non-certified can also apply. Total 600 openings for Hyderabad, Coimbatore and tricky locations. So for overall 600 openings, so it is very good opportunity for freshers for Hyderabad location candidate because there is no openings for Hyderabad candidates. So interested candidates, share your CV to Manikandan HR, or else I will give this link in the description. You can fill the form. So this is one opening from Omega Healthcare for both certified non-certified Hyderabad candidates. Total 25 openings for Hyderabad. So here is another opening from Optum Healthcare. Optum hiring for freshers and experienced medical coder. So for Bangalore location they are hiring. AAPC or Rahima certificate is mandatory. Interested candidates share your CV to Ronald Ranjan HR. So this is one opening from Optum Healthcare. Another opening from Novigo Healthcare. They are hiring for CPC certified freshers for Chennai location only. And contact recruiter Vinita HR. They have not given any roles and responsibilities or any description. Just simply they mentioned they are hiring for CPC certified freshers medical coding. Here it is the location. Interview time 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. They have not given the dates. So better to share your CV to WhatsApp and your to email ID. Then they will share you the call letter for the interview. So this is one opening from Novigo Healthcare. So the same opening, trainee coder, non-certified freshers for Hyderabad location. Total 100 openings here they mentioned. These all are the roles and responsibilities. Medical coding trainee, preferred candidates only nursing candidates, anatomy physiology, B Form, D Form, Form D, MSc science only. Interested candidates you can contact Supraja or Prasanna HR. Both the mail IDs also they have mentioned, and call or WhatsApp Supraja. Confirm your interview or to know more details. Note it's a walk-in interview Monday to Friday. Kindly give us prior information before coming for interview. So better to share your CV to both the mail IDs. I have given the form also. Fill the form. Total share your CV to total three mail IDs and three contact details. Because they have only 25 openings. So this is the address. Indranagar, Hyderabad, Gachibowli. So this is one opening from Omega Healthcare. These are the two more HR details. Share your CV. They will share you the call letter. So this is one opening from Omega Healthcare. As we have discussed in previous videos, Pacific Healthcare hiring for life science graduates for Noida location. Tomorrow is the walk-in drive. So these all are the details they have mentioned. We have already discussed in yesterday video also, just a reminder. So this is one opening. Medical Coding Associate from IDC Healthcare, walk-in from 24th of February to 28th of February. It's just reminder we have already discussed about this opening also. Here is another opening from HOM for Noida location, walk-in from 25th February to the 1st of March. Medical coding trainee, fresher, non-certified and certified. Both the candidates can apply. These all are the roles and responsibilities. Total 100 vacancies. Required BSc uh, human anatomy. Only life science graduates eligible. These only the details they have mentioned, and they have not given any contact details. Simply they have mentioned the location. You can go for the interview on 25th February to the 1st of March. So this is one opening from HOM. Savista also we have already discussed in yesterday video. Tomorrow and after tomorrow, 2 days left for the walk-in. Synthesis also hiring, same Chennai location. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, 2 days left for the drive. Coro Health hiring for Noida location. They have not given any details for the walk-in. Simply they have given the details. You can share your CV to Vipin Kumar Noida location. They will provide the certificate also. So this is one opening which we have already discussed in last video. Just reminder. Another opening from Enoch Healthcare for medical summarizer or transcriptionist for indoor location. Walk-in is from tomorrow. Only 2 days, 20 February and 21st of February. These all are the details they have given, and qualification is only life science graduates are eligible. Here it is the location, Monday to Friday, walk in, but in the top of skills they have mentioned only 2 days. These all are the roles and responsibilities. Interested candidates, you can share your CV to this email ID, or directly you can go for the walk-in drive. Medical records, reports, and documents to extract relevant information for underwriting purposes. So this is one opening from Enoch Healthcare. Here is another opening from Claris RCM, hiring for HCC coder. This is for work from home opportunity. This is not for freshers. Minimum 1 year experience is required with certification, and should have immediate joiners to 1 month notice period. Relieving letter also not mandatory. Interested candidates share your CV to Guru Meenakshi HR. So this is one opening from Claris RCM for work from home opportunity. Another opening from KPC Technovision. I'm not sure about this company because I didn't hear about this company before. So they are hiring for fresher and experienced any life science graduates with and without certification also eligible. Interested candidates share your CV to Anita HR. Medical coding position only. So these all are the openings for freshers. So total 10 openings. I have not added KPC opening. So IDS hiring for Noida. Almost to 4 openings is for Noida location, and a few openings is for Chennai Synthesis, Savista, Navigo. 3 openings is for Chennai location. Optum is for Bangalore location. Omega hiring for Omega, and KPC hiring for Hyderabad location. Coimbatore also only one company, Omega hiring. So these all are the openings that we have for freshers, and these all are the walk-in dates, end dates, 21st February, March, and 20 Pacific. So this is about today video. If you found this video is helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also do follow me in Instagram. I have already uploaded few of these openings in Instagram also. So do support me there also. Thank you for watching.